In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop files from automatically uploading to OneDrive. If your desktop, documents, or pictures keep jumping to the cloud when you never ask them to, this walkthrough will put you back in control and keep your files on your PC. We'll start by turning off OneDrive's folder backup, which is the main setting that redirects common folders to the cloud. Click the OneDrive cloud icon in your Windows taskbar at the bottom right. Open the gear icon for settings, go to Sync and Backup, and choose Manage Backup. You'll see Desktop, Documents, and Pictures listed. Turn each one off, then confirm by selecting Stop Backup. After this, new files in those folders will stay on your computer instead of uploading. Your existing files won't disappear, but they'll remain where they are until you move them locally, which we'll cover next. To prevent Office apps from pushing new files online, open Word or Excel, go to File, then Options, then Save. Check the box that says Save to Computer by default and click OK. From now on, when you hit Save, your PC will be the first choice instead of OneDrive. When you save any file, use Save As, select this PC, and pick a local folder such as Documents or Desktop. This small habit makes sure you're placing files exactly where you want them. Next, move any files that are already in your OneDrive folder back to your computer. Open File Explorer, browse to the OneDrive folder, select what you want to bring down, right-click and choose Cut, then paste into a local location like Documents or Desktop. Using Cut ensures the files leave OneDrive and live only on your PC. If you want syncing to stop entirely, open the OneDrive menu again, go to Settings, open the Account tab, and click Unlink this PC, then Confirm. This severs the connection, so nothing syncs until you choose to sign in again. Your existing local files remain available. Finally, prevent OneDrive from starting every time Windows boots. Open OneDrive settings, go to General, and uncheck Start OneDrive automatically when I sign in to Windows. This keeps things quiet unless you launch it manually. That's it. With folder backup off, save defaults changed, files stored on this PC, existing items moved, and syncing disabled, your files will stay local.